Hello students, let's do question number 5 of exercise 13.3. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeter is full of ice cream. We have a cylindrical container which is filled with ice cream. Its diameter is 12 centimeters and the height of the cylinder is 15 centimeter. It is filled with ice cream. This ice cream is to be filled in cone. From this container, we will fill this ice cream in cone whose height is 12 centimeters and the diameter is 6 centimeters, having a hemispherical shape on the top. Ice cream is like this. Clear? Find the number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream. How many cones can be filled with ice cream? How much ice cream comes in this cylinder? How do we get it? By getting the volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is ice cream in cone, ice cream in container is the volume of cylinder, and this is pi r square h. What is capital R? Half of diameter, that is 6 centimeters. Pi into 6 into 6 into 15. Keep it like this, centimeter cube. Now, how much ice cream come in one cone? Ice cream in one cone. One ice cream in one ice cream cone will be volume of this cone plus volume of hemisphere, volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. It is the total ice cream that comes in this one ice cream cone. What is volume of cone bache? 1 by 3 pi r square h. We have taken small r as the radius of cone and small h as the height of the cone, plus volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Taking pi r square common, 1 by 3 is also common. What is left? H plus 2r, that is 1 upon 3 pi into radius is 3 into 3, height is 12 plus 2 into 3. 3 and 3 get cancelled. What do we get? 3 pi into 18 into 3 pi, that is 54 pi is the volume of ice cream in one ice cream cone. Now what we have to find? We have to find how much ice cream cones can be filled. Let ice cream cones that can be filled be x. Let ice cream cones that can be filled be x. Now, how many ice cream cones can be filled with the ice cream in the container? How much ice cream in the container? Volume of cylinder is total ice cream in the cylinder. Ice cream in one cone is 54 pi, and we are saying how many ice cream cones that can be filled with ice cream, bx. Then the ice cream in one cylindrical container will be equals to x into ice cream in one cone. What we have to find? We have to find x, number of cones. What was volume of cylinder? 6 into 6 into 15 pi equals to 54 pi into x. What we have to find? X, 6 into 6 to 15 by 54. 6 ones are 6 nines are 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15. X is 10. Number of ice cream cones that can be filled from that cylindrical container are 10.